What's up, guys? It's Raph in the Raph Cave, and welcome back to another unboxing. This here, guys, new headset, SteelSeries Arctis Pro wireless. This is the de facto best of wireless gaming headset. This thing right here, winner, best wireless gaming headset by Wired.com, and this has won numerous awards. Professional headset in a sea of amateurs. Best gaming headset. Best high-end gaming headset. Best wireless gaming headset. Best high-end gaming. Everything. Best audiophile gaming headset. Best premium gaming headset. How many awards is this thing? Look at all this. This guy right here is high-res audio. It does Bluetooth and wireless at the same time. How cool is that? So you could be gaming and listen to Bluetooth music while gaming and being chat and everything else. Fantastic. Comfortable, well designed. This is my first SteelSeries headset. Am I going to be in for a treat? I hope so, guys. If you SteelSeries fans out there are glad I got something like this, I appreciate it. And also, I like this headband too. It's got that adjustable strap there. I like that. It gives more comfort on top of your head. When I do get sometimes a lot of fatigue up there. But this comes with a DAC also, a wireless DAC. So that's pretty sweet. So 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, dual batteries, one to charge in the DAC and one to be in the headphones, so you always can swap them if you want to keep going. 10-hour battery life on each. Lossless wireless, fantastic. Premium high-res drivers, 50 millimeter, which is number one, 50 millimeter at minimum for gaming headsets. This has got it. Aluminum alloy steel construction, maximum durability and fit. Nice retractable microphone, noise canceling as well. A lot of cables, guys. Tons of cables this comes with. And this thing is a beast, man. 10 to 40,000 hertz of frequency response. Incredible. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed and see what's inside. Let's get it. All right, guys, here they are. Winner, best wireless headset. Front of the box, nice info on the bottom there. Side of the box, all the reviews. Boom. The back, picture of the DAC here. Headphones and 2 batteries. There's all the cables that come with it in the back of the transmitter. And all the specs. In the front again. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed here. You know what time it is, guys. Black pin. So this will pretty much cover the gamut of typical gaming headsets that I've tried out. I'm hoping I can be finally done. Oh, ooh, man. Oh, man. How flexible are these? With ease. They swivel very nicely. Very premium feeling. Nice breathable weave cushions here. Large ear cups. Very nice. Got some buttons down here. We have the mute button, volume. It's like a mini micro USB spot. 3.5 millimeter. Oh, that's for the, what is that actually? I'm not sure. There's 2 different ports here. Interesting. Retractable mic. This is your Bluetooth button and your power on and off. There's your strap on top here. Imagine I'll probably be going to one of the larger ones here. So we'll go probably a little bit more down there. Very cool. And these are, of course, LED. I think this is where the battery is. Little flip right here. Oh, it's magnetic. Magnetic, cool. Here, this side here has got the batteries probably. Boom, there it is. How easy, huh? Sweet. I'm pretty sure you can order new ones if you want to replace those. All right, headphones are there. Sweet. Oh, man. Look at this. This is way bigger than I thought. Whoa. Nice little plate on top. Cool. This is your select button here, your back button, and your main display. Wow, this. There's the inputs in the back. Line in, line out, power, USB, optical in and out for pass-through. Got nice rubberized feet on the bottom. Dolby audio. This is sweet. Put this right on my desk. Another unit to put on my desk. How cool. All right, on the inside, what else we got? Oh, man. There. Accessory box. This thing's heavy, guys. There's a lot of cords in this beast. Okay, don't want to rip. Okay. Wow. That is premium packaging. Love it. Share your online experiences. Hate it. Share your online. Where to go? Help. Okay. Instruction manual. Wow, it's a lot of info, guys. I'll peek through that. So we got USB audio cable. A little bit different style there. This is your mobile audio cable. Oh wow, that's what that's for. For your mobile phone. With that little weird hookup back there. Okay. Then you have your mobile charging cable. And you got the standard and then micro USB, or is that USB 2? Wow. And then your USB power cable. Nice cables. Extra battery, of course. This one goes inside the DAC for charging. And then, oh, nice. You even get one of those windscreens for your microphone. A little ball, little foam ball you put on the mic. That is, oh my God, how professional. And then the final cable is your optical cable here. Man, that is some serious cables, guys. Sweet. Excellent packaging. All right, guys, I'm going to get this installed on my PC, and then we'll put them on, and I'll do a mic test, comfort test, all that stuff. All right, guys, be right back. All right, guys, so I plugged in the DAC into the computer. I put the spare battery on the side there. See, batteries inside there. So the first thing it says is choose a source to begin. You can always change sources from the main, the menu here. So let's go click. Our source is going to be PC. We can choose between aux, PS4, PC. Select PC. Congratulations, your Arctis Pro wireless is configured. Power on the headset. All right, headsets here. Power on the headset. So imagine we hold the power button here. Doot. Connected. All right, so it shows our battery life here. Here's, no, so it's charging the battery. Wait, no, it's not charging. Oh, that's the battery inside. So the battery inside is 3/4 of the way charged. The headphone battery life is 3/4 of the way charged. And then this is your main volume for the PC. That's it, guys. All right, so let's go inside here and click audio. So let's try that one first. So chat mix, that's the chat between game and chat there. So let's go back. Equalizer, click that guy. So right there, that's balanced, immersion, performance, entertainment, music, voice, or custom. Immersion, performance. I'm gonna go balance for now just to try it out. Surround, click. Surround off or on? Definitely on. Click that. Side tone is if you want to hear yourself talking. 1 is fine. Bluetooth volume. Okay, that's about it there. Go down to the source. We already did that. Options. Click. Brightness. Oh, that's for the unit itself. Full, definitely. The headset. Choose which screens to include in the headset menu. Chat mix, EQ source. Okay, beep. Yeah, sure, I'll have beep. Pairing, standby, reset, Bluetooth. Screen, volume limiter. Mic mute LED. Okay. Auto off. 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 10. Let's go 10. System info. Okay, there's your, it's like your firmware, I guess. Guess that's it. There we go. So that's your setup screen for the DAC here. All right, I'm gonna switch cameras and we'll do a mic test on these guys. Be right back. All right, guys, back to my PC camera here. These are the headphones, and let's put these bad boys on. I think we're turned on at the moment. Yep, here we go, guys. First time turning them on, putting them on. Super comfortable. Oh my gosh, and they're so lightweight too. I love this band on top. Separates it from the aluminum. I like that a lot. You see that, right? It's got that little gap right there. That means more comfort with less stress on top of your head. Ear cups feel just like Astro ear cups. That nice, nice breathable cushion. You know, that cloth cushion kind of ear cups. Very comfortable. Nice seal. I'm a large head, large ears. Nice seal. Feel great. Not very loose at all. How's it look? Fantastic. SteelSeries. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to download that software. So let's go to it now. All right, so you want to go to SteelSeries with 2 E's, not 3. SteelSeries.com/engine. Let's go there and see what we got here. Windows, definitely. Let's do that. And how to looks like how to integrate Discord. All right, so the battery's charged inside the DAC there. Looks like it's fully charged. So I guess, you know what? You really don't have to plug these in to charge them. It gives you the battery indicator right on the DAC. So you can easily just swap out the batteries at any time. How cool. That's great, actually. No more cables to charge. You just swap out the batteries. It's just amazing. All right, here we go. All right, so DTS Headphone X on with 7.1. Yep. Game profile. Yep. Gameplay. Stereo. Okay, don't I? Bass enhancement. Very nice. Equalizer is balanced. Volume limiter. Side tone mic. Should we try it? Hello, hello. Hello? Oh, nice. So you can hear yourself talking. Oh, wow. And I'm not even pulling out the mic and it's super clear. Wow, this is great, guys. Let me pull this mic out here. All right, so now it's in front of my face. Hold on. Right there. Okay, now the mic's in front of my mouth. I'm listening to myself talk, and I am super clear. All right, guys, here I am. Let's see if you guys can't hear me at the moment, so let me check and see if I can switch this over so you guys can hear me. All right. So now I'm speaking. Hello? Okay, so now I'm speaking to you with the microphone in my headset, and I'm going to turn the side tone off because I don't want to hear myself talk. This is kind of weird. Live preview. Okay, turn that off. All right, am I still talking to myself? Yes, I am. Turn that off. Nope, I still hear myself talking. All right, now it's off? Okay, now it's off. All right, guys, I'm just looking at the software on my computer, and it's telling me that I got to turn off the live mute mic preview. So how do I sound, guys? This is the Arctis Pro microphone I'm speaking to now. I think it sounds amazing, so I was hearing myself talk in my ears here. It's a fantastic quality microphone, so hopefully it relates to you guys. But these headsets are very comfy. I've been wearing these for about 20 minutes, I guess, not very long, but I don't feel any fatigue. They feel great. Not a lot of tension on top, and I can totally adjust this as well if I need more tension or less tension. They feel fine, guys. So I'm going to do some testing on these. I'm going to play some Sindel Mortal Kombat 11 tonight, so be sure to check out my streams on that. Otherwise, guys, these headphones are going to be mine for a while. I like looking at that DAC right there, giving me a readout of what the volume is and the battery life indicators. So when I got to swap out the batteries just by taking off the cup, boom, 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 hot swapping, fantastic. All right, guys, I'm going to switch back to my Yeti mic, and let's see if the difference is loud and clear on here. So I'm popping off that. All right, so now I'm back on the Yeti mic right here. So if you guys can hear a difference on the sound quality, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm going to put this one back in the headset. Boom, and use those when I need to. Otherwise, I think that's about it. Oh, one thing is that the volume rocker here is not actually a volume for on the headphones. It's a volume control from the DAC wirelessly. So headphones are connected to the DAC, so I can turn the volume up and down here, and it gives me a readout of volume, and I can also go through all the settings, all the menus on the DAC with the headphones just by clicking inward. So it's really a great way to go through the settings without reaching all the way over and turning the dial there. So fantastic, guys. So I'm going to listen to some music, and I'm going to go live stream tonight, and hopefully these are the ones that I'm going to keep for a while. Pick these up at Best Buy. I'll leave a link below if you want to go to Best Buy or Amazon. Otherwise, if you have any questions, let me know. I don't think there's a way to use these on Xbox, which is the downfall. Even though if you hook up the 3.5 millimeter, you might be able to hear the game, but I don't think you can actually talk. But I'll have to do more testing on that later. Otherwise, thanks for watching this unboxing, guys. You have a great day. Home theater rules. Like, subscribe, share. Welcome to the club. I'll see you next time. Peace out.